My name is Jim Bator, and I had a full hip replacement on the right side in November of 2018 at Door County Medical Center. When you have the pain of a hip that bothers you, your whole life changes. The biggest thing was that I was missing being able to do what I wanted to do when I wanted to do it. I chose Door County Medical Center because I compare it to large hospitals from the Chicago area, and the difference being that they cater to you at Door County Medical Center. As I call it, it's kind of our boutique hospital. So on the day of the surgery, I know that they did a good job because when I came out that afternoon, I was on my feet. I was pretty impressed with that. The next morning, I expected to be in a little more pain, and I wasn't. It was great. Within a few months, I was healed up and I'm back to normal, actually better than normal, because now I can go for 4 or 5 hours without having to stop. I can do whatever I want. If we want to travel or go kayaking or do whatever, I can do it. That's what it's given back to me, and that's what I'll cherish.